Okay, students, in this lecture we will learn about the Bye Bite. Bye Bite is a story of the pet dog and Miss Huma. Okay, first of all we will discuss the main or major character of this story. First one is Miss Huma. This is the main character of the story. Then Mr. Adris, he is the husband of Miss Huma. Then her two daughters, Kamal and Sana. Pet dog Bite. Bite is also the major character of the story. The whole story moves around Miss Huma and Bite and then Dr. Nasi. Now we will learn the difficult word meanings. Our first word is packing, filling, suitcase, traveling bag, qualified, competent. Competent means respectable, status, rank, senior, having a senior rank, canine, member of a dog family, species, kind, trip, journey, round trip, trip to a place and back again, booking, reserving in advance, advance में बुक करा लेना कोई सीट, hit a pound, chance, sport, place, vet, animals doctor, reaction, action made in response, yawned, intake of air, stressed, spread out, remembering, retain in one's mind, decade, 10 years, abroad, in another country, aged, elderly, hurried, speed up, restive, uneasy, starvation, deprive of food, Kazada, locked, bolted, occasionally, sometimes, around, nearby, kindliness, friendliness, found, discover, messy, unorganized, puppy, young animal, inoculations, vaccination, giggled, laughed foolishly, narrow, not wide, lane, alley, narrow pass, mass lab, area of responsibility, smells, scent, antiseptic, sterile, doggy, young dog, persuade, convince, provide, give, boarding, adapt, lodging, hut, cancel, erase, admitted, accept, slave, enslave, slogged, progress slowly, thinning, small, cataracts, waterfall, expert, specialist, fading, bleach, settled, inhabited, scalded, rebuke, muttering, soft speech, arrangement, agreement, wandered, ponder, arthritic, inflammation of joints, worse, unfavorable, kennels, doghouse, depression, sadness, supposed, think, gorgeous, marvelous, burst, gush, thirst, push, shelter, refuge, assistant, helpful, halt, transporting, haul, cry, customary, habitual, manage, handle, yaps, yap. Now her two daughters, Kamal and Sana, arrange a round trip for her to have some fun in her life, but she is not agreed to leave the Bite alone because in this way Bite will miss his proper diet, proper walk or proper rest. Miss Uma even ignores her personal activities for the Bite. She doesn't go to any party or with any friend to have a dinner because this makes Bite grumpy and messy. Because whenever she becomes late, Bite creates a lot of disturbance. Bite has been with Huma for the last 13 years. Bite Huma के साथ पिछले 13 सालों से है. Both of them are the source of happiness for each other. In fact, Mrs. Adris is alone without the Bite and Bite is also alone with a Miss Huma. Without a Miss Huma. But at the end, both of them decide to give themselves a little break to meet each other with a good relation again. लास्ट पे वो दोनों डिसाइड करते हैं that they should give a little break to each other to have a good relation again with each other. It means we should give relaxation to each other from daily duties, whether they are in the shape of domestic or official. And most important thing, if we show compassion even for the animals, they must give us our their loyalty and their lives. So adopt the give and take policy in life. If you are giving the respect even to the animals, they will must give you the reward. And now you will learn the red meanings as well, and read the reading with the intonation as I have told you in the previous lecture.